The final video to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80240008. And if your apps are not downloading, listen carefully. Are you facing the problem where Microsoft Store shows 0x80240008 and blocks you from installing or updating apps? This usually happens because the store cache is corrupted, system files are broken, or Windows Update components interfere with the store. Sometimes small glitches or hidden settings prevent Microsoft Store from working properly. Many YouTube and social media solutions show long commands, confusing tweaks, or risky steps that take forever and often fail. On Rexish, I keep it simple and safe. I discovered a secret easy trick that fixes error 0x80240008 fast and makes the store work smoothly again. This trick clears the store cache, repairs system files, and resets Windows components so apps install without stress. You do not need advanced skills or extra software. I tested this method multiple times, and it works perfectly every time. This solution saves time and gets your Microsoft Store running fast. Watch fully so you do not miss the key step most guides skip. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial explained slowly and clearly, comment below and tell me you want it. Rexish always delivers real fixes that actually work. So stay tuned and fix Microsoft Store error 0x80240008 the smart way.